Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodle. Today's special guest is Indomie, Mi Goreng Cakalang, Rasa Cakalang. It's skipjack tuna flavor, and they used to have that here in the States, and then they took it away. I don't know why. I really don't. Sometimes they just do things. But we're making some mi goreng. It's probably like 9:55 a.m. on a Thursday. So, yeah. And, yeah. It is. So it's going to be another sunny day. They're talking about more wildfire smoke. A couple years ago, we really had it bad. I love going out. Granted, not when we don't have wildfires like here, but we get smoke from big wildfires elsewhere that just like go right down into this area, and it gets all smoky and dingy and it stinks, and I do. You don't have to. There's no like rule about it. When it gets that bad, I'll put a mask on, one of those like really tight fitting ones, and I'll go out and shoot video of like sunsets and things like that. It's kind of cool. Definitely makes the sunsets look nice, but it's really not a great thing. It really bugs my wife when the air quality gets like way down. There have been times when I've gone out early in the morning and you look up and you look at the light coming down from the light pole, I guess you could call it, and the street light, and you can see the particles in the air going through. I've gone out walking and felt like little gritty bits in my teeth, and it's ash. That's when it's just like, yeah, I should go home or put my mask on. But generally it's pretty warm, so wearing a mask in that is not like super comfortable, but whatever, if I can get some good footage out of it, I'm gonna do it. I do what I have to for my art, involves doing a lot of editing photos of instant noodles. I don't know. I enjoy it a lot. I do a lot of dishes, folks. A lot of dishes. But yeah, we're supposed to get like a main line of wildfire smoke coming in here pretty soon. So that'll get stinky again. We had a couple little bouts of it that only lasted for maybe like an hour, maybe two this week. But the air quality never got like up in the bad range. We've had it before where like right now it's probably like 28 to 33, which is all right. Then we've had it in the past where it's gone up to like 380. I think it got to 405 once. I think. It got really bad. And it just smells like a house fire and a burnt, like a couch. Like if you went over to some guy's house who smokes a ton, and they had the fireplace going, but the chimney the flue wasn't open. So you got like wood smoke, and then you've got like their stinky, I smoke all the time couch. That is what that wildfire smoke smells like to me. That's my idea of it. But here we go. Let's do this. This one comes by way of Ferengi from Australia. Thank you so much. She has really been kind. She has sent a lot of instant noodles. Gosh, I hope she sends some more. I'm gonna hit her up. Can you please send more noodles? It's funny because I always see that meme talking about send nudes, and it's like because they're like
college student meme thing, I guess, but I have more at stake. Because once I do all I've got, I need to go get more, and it's very hard to find more instant noodles that I haven't reviewed in this area, that's for sure. We used to go to Canada, but that's out of the question right now. That would be way too much for my wife. She's got a lot of pain in her life, which sucks. So, too much for her to drive that. Why don't you drive it, Ramen? Oh, because I'm legally blind. That would be a bad thing. You should just learn to drive. Well, I'm sure I could, but maybe, I don't know. I'm sure there would be some insane person who would allow me to pass a driving test. I have driven before. I've driven in a parking lot of a place that was being built. Oh no, I got sweet soy sauce on my thumb. Not because I don't like sweet soy sauce, but the stuff is so freaking sticky. I should have heated up this sachet first. Oh yeah, lost cause. Hot water. Yeah, this is literally some of the stickiest stuff in the world. I can't think of anything that could be like a worse thing to spill on the floor than like an entire bottle of sweet soy sauce. I think that would be really, really horrible. Did I? Yeah, I did on the last one. I'm looking over at my spring onion thinking, have I even used any of that? And yeah, I used it on the last one. I don't think I used it on anything else though. Kind of heavy on the coriander today, I gotta admit. Okay. I'm getting kind of a smoky scent to this. Cheers. Kind of smoky, kind of sweet, a little bit of spicy. You know, maybe the reason they got rid of this in the States, maybe it just wasn't popular. I could see this being a tough sell for Westerners. You know? But it was always at Asian grocery stores, which are also, can tend to be, believe it or not. If you're watching this, I'm sure you're not in that category. But in the United States, people sometimes are like really afraid to go to Asian groceries, and I love it, but like I don't know what this is, I don't know what, you know, I'm looking at, I can't read insert language here, which is a bummer because you're missing out. They're wonderful places. Yeah, that egg worked out pretty well. Ooh, there you are. There's our egg. I think I'm gonna go with some fried onion on this, and that's about it. Maybe some crushed red pepper. Maybe just fried onion. That. I don't know. I got all this spring onion. Maybe some coriander. Why not? Usually I complain about the quality of the coriander that I get. This stuff's not bad. It's actually holding its own. The local store generally is just kind of not wonderful when it comes to produce, but this week it's done okay. I better wrap this up. I'm hearing the the breathy sound of children wanting something to eat. Yep, there it goes again. Alright, so there's that. Ooh. Okay. I've got some Indonesian, I got this cabe sambal sauce. A little bit of it. If it'll let me just add a little bit of it. I don't want to. There we go. Just a little. I don't think that ended up being a little, but oh, that was weird. Okay. There. We are. Let's let Rotato weave its story of happiness and love. I think I'm actually going to go a little bit further on this. Garnish while rotating. Go, 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 go. I don't know. I like doing that. Kind of rounds out the plate. Crushed red pepper. Yeah. Last one for the day. Well, that's it. Yeah. Thanks again to Ferengi for sending this over. Goreng, Cakalang. Pretty good stuff. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramenator wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, helps me out. Also helps like-minded instant noodle folks, fans, people, deals. Find out more about instant noodles by watching the show. Hey. All right. Have a good one. Bye-bye.